Will this Pantene 3-minute treatment fix my dry, damaged hair? I'll find out. I read in, I think it was Glamour magazine or Allure magazine, that a makeup artist said that this was the golden standard for dry, damaged hair. So mine certainly is that. I'm going to try this and see. The Pantene Pro V 3-minute Miracle. I got the Repair and Protect. It's a daily conditioner revitalizer for softer, shinier hair. It says to supercharge your routine with Pantene's powerful conditioning. Apply to clean, wet hair in the shower, starting at the tips and working towards the roots. Leave on for 3 minutes. Rinse. Use daily to address your hair's need. Here's the ingredients list if you want to pause and check all that out. Made in USA. Distributed by Procter & Gamble, and there's contact information. Seems to be nice and thick. Has a very mild, clean, somewhat vanilla scent. I'm going to use it in conjunction with the Pantene Daily Moisture Renewal Shampoo. I got this because it had a free gift of the Rescue Shot in there, which I'm interested in using as well. This is after the first use of the Pantene Pro V conditioner. I blow dried it and flat ironed it. Had a little bit of argan oil on it. The Pantene Pro V conditioner smells great. It was easy to apply. My hair feels soft, smooth. It smells great. This is my second or third use with the Pantene 3-minute Miracle. I'm extremely pleased with this. This has been one of the few products that's made a huge difference in the condition of my hair. It smells great. It's easy to apply. Leaves my hair soft and swingy, which is what I'm going for. So I'm very happy. At the end of my time with the Pantene 3-minute Miracle, I noticed my hair wasn't quite as swingy. It didn't quite maintain my curl all day long. I think when I started the Pantene 3-minute Miracle that I still had some of the product in my hair from what I was using previously, which was a Hemp's conditioner, which was very, very good. I'm going to go back to the Hemp's conditioner. I don't think the Pantene is a bad product. I just think that for my hair as damaged as it is, I need the more expensive Hemp conditioner. I have video up about that, and I will run another experiment because I bought the conditioner and the shampoo on that one now. But for the money, the Pantene 3-minute Miracle does deliver. I haven't used all of it up. There's still probably several weeks worth left of the 3-minute Miracle. And my final consensus is, for the money, this is not bad. If this is what you can afford, then this is probably going to improve the condition of your hair if it's very badly damaged like mine. I'm just a little concerned about the not feeling clean on my scalp after a couple of days, which maybe that's normal, but it just doesn't feel like my scalp ever gets fully clean up there. This was the moisture shampoo that I started using with the Pantene 3-minute Repair. But it's not bad. If I buy it again, I'm going to use this probably for a couple of weeks and then switch off to something else for a week and then come back to use this just to bounce back and forth. I found out that my hair does better when I do that with Pantene, because I get that feeling that my scalp is actually clean. Whereas if I just stick with the Pantene repeatedly, I don't have that sensation of a really clean scalp. It feels like my hair is kind of matted to my scalp. Thanks for watching my review of the Pantene 3-minute treatment. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video if appropriate. If you have time before you go, watch another one of these videos. In the meantime, let's help each other become better consumers. Thanks. Bye.